The Bronx River originates in Valhalla and flows 23 miles, where it eventually joins the East River and merges with the Atlantic. The original residents of this area were the Mohegans. However, in the 1600s, European explorers began to settle here. Then, in the 1840s, through the early 20th century, the area around the Bronx River became industrialized and water became filthy, eventually leading to it becoming nicknamed the Open Sewer. In the 1920s, the creation of the Bronx River Parkway further polluted the area, making the water close to toxic. Finally, in the 1970s and early 21st century, people began to try to restore the river to its natural beauty, and cleanup projects began to occur.
And have you seen the water get better or worse with the pollution?
Oh, worse, I think.
Worse,
Worse. And the quality, it just, the levels change, and seeing sometimes trash in there, or seeing mysterious fluorescent liquid sometimes recently.
Have you noticed the water, or the pollution in the water getting better or worse?
I would say it's always been this cloudy consistency, but there probably has been more mud and sort of residue recently.
Right. And have you heard of anybody trying to fix it or clean it?
No, but you guys should do that.
Yeah.
The Bronx River itself, in the 1890s, when all of this started, the Bronx River Reservation projects or concern, it was an open sewer. I mean, there were outhouses on the river, there were factories on the river. Everybody dumped all their waste in the river, and it was so bad that animals in the Bronx Zoo that had gone near or drank the water were getting sick.
What can we do to help the Bronx River?
You can volunteer.